Good evening, guys. How are we all doing? Are you okay there? Are you okay? She's like, why did you stop stroking me? Okay, so I wasn't actually gonna film today, but I feel like it's got to this evening and I'm actually really in the mood to have like a proper, like cozy pamper evening. And I feel like I've not done a proper evening routine or like a spend the evening or anything like that with me in quite a while. So that is what we're gonna do today. I've literally just turned the camera on. I've not really done a lot today, I'm not gonna lie. I had some meetings this morning, some Zoom meetings. I've done a little bit of filming, a little bit of editing, like just little bits and bobs, and I thought we could actually spend this evening together because I'm really in the mood to just like, yeah, literally just have like such a pamper evening. I'm gonna have a bath, like I wanna order a good takeaway. First job of the evening is actually gonna be to sort this room out because you can probably tell from the background there is just stuff everywhere at this point. I don't know what it is. I feel like because I work in my room a lot throughout the day, my room just gets super messy, so I need to have like a bit of a clean of this room. That is going to be the first thing that I do, and then I think we're going to order some dins and take the evening from there. Hey, my room's looking a lot tidier. I put fresh bedding on last night as well, which makes me so happy. I cannot wait to get into bed later. I swear to God, going to bed is actually the highlight of my day at the minute. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Just actually ordered dinner. Okay, so for dinner we've ordered from soooo, which I think that's how you say it, soooo. It was actually Millie that got me onto this place. She was telling me about this like sushi place that's like a restaurant, but they're doing takeout at the minute and it's really, really good. I am now obsessed with it. Like I am absolutely obsessed with it. So this is what like the little app looks like. Yeah, I'm pescatarian at the minute, so I do eat fish. So I've ordered the teriyaki salmon. Honestly, it is so delicious. It's so good. Cannot recommend enough. As I said, I'm really just not like in the mood to cook at the minute. I don't know about anyone else. I don't know whether to do some yoga. Yeah, do you know what? I'm gonna quickly do today's yoga. I wasn't going to do it just because my body feels really, really sore today, but I feel like it might actually help just to like stretch out a little bit. And I swear to God, I've really been enjoying doing this. I'm thinking about doing like a full kind of video on it. Like I've been filming my progress and stuff, but yeah, I'm gonna quickly do this yoga at like 9 p.m. I don't know why like everything's happening so late today. I'm usually getting ready for bed at this time, I'm not gonna lie. Like, is anyone else just like spending 90% of their time in bed at the minute? Because same. Anyway, yoga time. Enjoy your practice. Inhale, flat back, we lift up, deep breath in. And on an exhale, release it down. Awesome. Slide the right toes back into your low lunge. And inhale, stretch your heart forward to your foundation. Full breath in. And on exhale. And then to our downward facing dog. Awesome work, my food is here. I've got salmon, as I said, and then this is Mum's. Mum got like tofu with noodles, so it's like vegan and plant-based. Dad got a chicken katsu curry. I mean, can we just talk about how good that looks? So yummy. Yummy scrummy. Hello. Right, we've got a lot of parcels to quickly go through. I thought I could do this on camera with you guys, seeing as this is something that I would typically do in the evenings if I've not already opened my parcels for whatever reason. Sorry, I'm trying to find something to like prop the camera up on. Okay, first parcel we've got is from Key. This is actually PR. These were sent, which is really exciting. I absolutely love Key sunglasses. Oh, they're cute. They're actually really cute. Oh, okay, who is she? Got a black pair, and then we've also got these that are kind of like tortoise shell. Oh, they're a bit like skewiff. Maybe it's just my nose. Do you know what? It is my nose, because that's one thing that always stresses me out about my nose. I have this really like uneven bump on it, like on the middle part, and it makes putting like glasses and sunglasses on really difficult because they're just like, they end up tilting that way, but it's not the glasses, it's my nose. I've just got a bed nose, so great. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, definitely gonna be wearing those because honestly, I mean, I spend way too much time on my phone and my laptop. I don't know about anyone else. I mean, it is part of my job. It's just a problem, so I need to start wearing those glasses more. They're supposed to help, I think they kind of like reduce like the strain on your eyes a little bit, and they help to reduce like headaches and things, I'm pretty sure. We've also got from Key, what are these? I'm pretty sure that, oh, they're pretty. Okay, so we've got a pair of hoops as well, which, great. I don't know if this is a new thing to Key, because I've not seen that they've done jewelry before, but yeah, we've got some little hoops from them. Yeah, thank you so much to Key for these goodies. Okay, next up, this looks like some hair bits. Okay, so I've not heard of this brand before. This is from a brand called We Do Professional. So we've got a no plastic shampoo. That's actually really interesting. I've never had anything like that before. What else have we got? We've got a moisture and shine conditioner, which looks lovely. All of this smells really good. I can literally like smell it through the packaging, if that makes sense. So yeah, thank you to We Do for sending those bits over. Okay, and then this I did actually buy. This is from Lullabells. I got one of their ponytails. You guys know I actually am addicted to wearing ponytails at this point. I feel like wearing my hair up like slick with a pony is my favorite way to do it, and they recently, that actually looks quite dark. I wasn't sure what color my ponytail was from Lullabells because I did actually like basically steal it off Mads. So I had no idea what color to go for. I've gone for chocolate brown and it looks pretty dark, but I mean my hair does also need a top up of colour. Yeah, so it's the same length as my like one that I wear at the minute. That's the flicked in one. That's like the standard Ariana Grande pony, but they've brought out a curled version, which I'm so excited about. I can't wait to wear this. Alright, this parcel I'm so excited about. I'm pretty sure, yeah, this is my Cult Beauty parcel. So I blame Rachel for this. I just want to say, Rachel, Miss Leary, if you're watching this video, you have just caused me to spend an absolute ton on Cult Beauty, because Rachel put in the group chat, I think it was yesterday because I got this on next day delivery. She put in the group chat about how she'd ordered 2 skincare products off Cult Beauty that she'd seen on TikTok, and she was like, oh my god, I've just ordered them really quickly because they were gonna sell out, like they're on this TikTok, da 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 da. She sent us the TikTok and I watched the TikTok, and then I had to buy these skincare products, but I didn't have to just buy the skincare products. I then had to spend like too much money on Cult Beauty on other stuff that I also don't need. So Rachel, thanks a lot, Rachel. I'm skint now. I mean, I could have actually done this as a whole video, but I think I'm gonna do a video soon if you guys are interested on like my favorite kind of cruelty-free products. Oh my god, we've got so much to talk about. Okay, so the products that Rachel got that I then of course had to buy, so they're these here by Glow Recipe. I'll link all of these products down below as well if you're interested in any of them for yourself. But this is the Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner, and then it was also this product from Glow Recipe, which is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops, I want to say. I don't know if I've pronounced that right. I probably haven't, knowing me. To be fair, I have tried a couple of products from Glow Recipe before, and I do really like them. Like, they're very hydrating on the skin from like other products that I've tried. Okay, then the next thing that I got, which again, I feel like I've seen this on TikTok, it's the Paula's Choice 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. So it's got salicylic acid in, which I want to try this, and I wanted to try the toner from Glow Recipe because my skin is definitely like a little bit kind of just acne prone at the minute. Maybe that's not the right term actually, but I do get blemishes and just like texture, especially around like my mouth. I know a lot of it is hormonal, so I'll be interested to see how much these products actually do. But again, this has been so raved about and I feel like it keeps selling out, so whilst it was in stock I wanted to pick it up. I also got a concealer from Hourglass, which just looks like so. This is in the shade Cotton. Let me swatch it actually. So I'm pretty sure this is the shade that I meant to buy because I did swatch this. Oh yeah, it looks like a nice colour, kind of like a nice highlight colour. That applicator is really nice as well. It's very smooth. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I went to buy this in Selfridges when me and Mads were shopping in there like a couple of months ago. Finally picked that up to try it. I've never tried this concealer before, but everything that I have tried from Hourglass I do really like. Something that I did not need to buy, but as soon as I saw it, I just knew I had no choice than to be £110 worse off. I got a new Natasha Denona palette, which I just did not need to buy this. Oh no, I'm so glad that I bought it. This right here is the, what's this called? Biba. The Biba palette. It's all neutral. That is actually stunning. You know why I opted for this palette as well? I do have quite a few Natasha Denona palettes now. I feel like it's luxury makeup is like something that I actually do really love to collect. I mean, obviously I've loved makeup for the longest time. I feel like I'm not the most adventurous with makeup anymore, but I do love collecting kind of like luxury items of makeup. I love them, but there's just a couple of shades missing in them for me, and I saw this one, and the fact that it's like predominantly mattes just spoke to me on a different level. And then another skincare product, I got the Ordinary AHA 30% and BHA 2% peeling solution. Again, another like peeling, pore refining product. This as well, did this I take off on TikTok as well? I can't remember. I picked up is by Fugazi. I'm not entirely sure if that's how you pronounce it. The fragrance is called Good. It's supposed to sound like oud, I'm pretty sure, so it's Good. Yeah, this is kind of like an oudy fragrance. I really love oud. Like, I just think it's so beautiful. Like, it smells expensive. Like, that's the only way I can explain it. And I feel like when you find a good oud fragrance, it just like makes me excited. The notes are oud, pamplemousse, mandarin, blackcurrant, Bulgarian rose, jasmine, sandalwood, musk, leather, like that kind of vibe. Had really good reviews on Cult Beauty. Oh, I've not even sprayed it yet. Right, let me just spray like 1, 2. Oh my god, that smells so good. So my Maison Francis Kurkdjian Oud Cashmere Mood, it's quite a rich oud this. I very rarely wear it, and if I wear it I literally spray like 1 spray. This one smells lighter than this and kind of like a little bit more feminine, I would say, because that is quite like a strong scent. I'm so excited to try all this stuff. I think I'm going to quickly get a bath, guys, anyway. I think we should probably run a bath. I definitely need to wash my hair. I always get a bath and then a shower, so I can kind of like soak in the bath and just like chill, and then I can enjoy having like a proper cleanse off in the shower. I might just go and make a quick cheeky gin and tonic though. Right, I'm gonna go and make a G&T, a gin and tonic, and we're gonna get a bath. Well, I'm gonna get a bath, but you can come actually. I'm gonna vlog the bath. Okay, so this is what I have bath-wise. I actually got sent both of these in PR by this brand called Midnight Storm, I want to say. So I'm using the bath and body oil and also the bath soak, and then just some good old Radox. Never have I ever sat in a bath in a bikini top and actually filmed being in the bath. I'm so glad that I've got a bath. I don't understand how people don't like baths. Like, to be fair, I have to always have a bath and then a shower. I can never just have a bath. Yeah, I've made a little G&T. Cheers. It's actually mostly lemonade, to be fair. We didn't have a lot of tonic. Okay, so shaving wise, let me just scoot round. In terms of shaving, I use the Soap and Glory The Righteous Butter Creamy Body Wash. Cannot swear by this stuff enough. Kind of applies like a cream and kind of like a shaving cream, and then you basically shave with it on, but it just leaves your skin feeling really soft and really smooth. And then razor wise, men's razors, I swear, are the best razors. Like, I've tried so many razors at this point, and this is the one that I use. It's just by Gillette, is it pronounced? You just get such a closer shave with a men's razor compared to a women's razor. I feel like if you have super sensitive skin, then it's maybe not the best thing to do, but I've used a men's razor for like years at this point and it's absolutely fine on my legs. Okay, so for skincare, I've got some new products from a brand called Plein Air, which I've not actually heard of or used before. These were sent over from Space NK. So we've got the Gentle Makeup Remover, which is the rose jelly. I've not actually used like a jelly makeup remover in a while. Oh, I actually love just being able to like rub my face when I take makeup off. Like, I hate when I've got makeup on and I just like can't touch my face. It's time for bed now. I've showered, I've washed my hair, I've finished my skincare. I used the Paula's Choice BHA solution, was it called, and also the Glow Recipe Watermelon Drops. So far, really like both. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. It's been kind of random. Yeah, I'm gonna get going. I love you guys as always, and I will see you in the next one.